Blast took place just a little before after 10 o'clock in the morning outside the Delhi High Court, which is the main court here in the capital. It took place outside the main gate, just outside the reception area. And on Wednesday is a day when most of the public interest litigations are heard. So there were a large number of people present outside the court, as well as lawyers and judges. Eyewitnesses saying they heard a loud sound of a blast. There was panic in the area. Police have cordoned off the site now. There are ambulances taking the wounded away, some of them with fairly severe injuries. According to the officials here in India, it's a medium intensity bomb blast. There's some suggestions that it may have been placed inside a bag or a suitcase or a briefcase of some kind, which is just placed next to the gate at a time when a large number of people were present, which is why,
Now, we don't know too much about them. In fact, this is the first time a lot of us are hearing about this group. What we know is that they are based in India, in Pakistan, and in Bangladesh. They have been responsible for attacks before, but this is the first recent attack that we're seeing that they are taking responsibility for. And the National Investigation Agency here, the government, is also not jumping into conclusions yet. They're saying they still have to look into it, but they will take this email very seriously because this group is known to be quite lethal.
Give us an idea of the kind of security that's been stepped up in Delhi today, and what about other cities in India?
Well, Delhi and Mumbai are on high alert. There is security everywhere. We've been seeing all kinds of security officials, not just the Delhi police, but also some army and also the NIA, which is the National Investigation Agency, which is really a group that was formed right after the Mumbai attacks in 2008. And they really handle all the cases of terror. So really, we can see the government is taking this very seriously. This is not the first attack at the High Court. We saw an attack back in May, not too long ago, but that was a very minor attack. But this time, we saw the Home Minister come out and speak to Parliament as well, and this is what he had to say.
At about 10:14 a.m., a high-intensity blast occurred between gate number 4 and gate number 5 of the Delhi High Court. There is a reception center between the two gates where passes are issued. The bomb blast took place just outside the reception center. It is suspected that the bomb was placed